Max, go.
Good day everyone. I am Ronald Custodio, a fourth year BSCA Customs students from Holy Cross of Davao College. So today I'll be presenting about the understanding of Anti-Dumping Act of the Philippines, also known as the Republic Act number 8752. So first, what exactly is dumping? So, dumping happens when a foreign company sells its product in another country at a price lower than its normal value. It might look good for consumers because prices become cheaper, but in reality, it's unfair to local industries. Why? Because local producers can't compete with artificially cheap imported goods. This can lead to factory closures, job losses, and a weak domestic market. That's why Republic Act 8752, the Anti-Dumping Act of 1999 was created to protect local industries from unfair foreign trade practices. It allows the government to impose anti-dumping duties on imported goods that are proven to be sold below fair value. So there are three main elements to establish a dumping case. The first is the dumping, which is the imported goods are sold below their normal value. The second one is injury, which the domestic industry is suffering from actual or potential harm. And third is the causaling. There must be a clear connection between the dumped imports and the injury to the local industry. So if these three are proven, the government can impose extra duties to restore fair competition. So now, which agency handle this law? So the first agency is the Department of Trade and Industry, which handle non-agricultural product. The second one is the Department of Agriculture, which handles agricultural product. And lastly is the Tariff Commission, which conducts the investigation to confirm if dumping truly exists and to recommend the proper duties. So, let's take a real example. One well-known case involves cement imports from Vietnam. In 2021, the Department of Trade and Industry reports the Vietnamese cement brands were being sold in the Philippines at price lower than their fair market value. So, this severely affected local cement producers like Holcim and Republic Cements. After investigation, the